Hello, welcome to my channel. Um, Today I'm going to show you how we can create a elementor pro landing page. It was my previous project. Recently I completed this project, so I will share my experience and my knowledge with you and my subscribers and my followers. So how we can create elementor landing page, a beautiful landing page. I already made this landing page. Maybe you can see this is the landing page. It's a $40 project, and it was fully responsive. It's fully responsive, and this is the Canadian client, and I'm really proud to work with her. She was a woman. She was a woman. That's why little bit confusing and little bit complicated to work with her, but finally we'll complete the project with a good review. Okay, so I'm trying to share my knowledge how we can create or how I will how I will complete the project fully. Okay, and this is totally Elementor and Elementor Pro I use for this project. Okay, so I'm trying to log in the site, but unfortunately maybe she logged out me because I delivered the project and she also payment me. That's why it's not working. That's why. That's why it's not working. Okay, so I'm just trying to share my knowledge how I complete this project. Okay, it's a very simple and very basic project. If you know Elementor and Elementor Pro, maybe my every followers know the WordPress Elementor and Elementor Pro. I'm mostly working with Elementor and Elementor Pro. Okay, so I think you all know the Elementor and Elementor Pro. Okay, this is the very simple first section. I just click on right. Okay, this is the heading to tag. Okay, um, if I log in here, it will easy for understand you. Okay, so just wait, I'm trying to log in. Okay, maybe you can see this. I'm trying to log in, but unfortunately it's not working. So I'm trying to understand you by using front end at user console, browser console. Okay, I just use here is to tag. This is simple text, and the font family is client choice font family. That's why I use font family. Maybe it's a real no, sorry, it's a robot of font family. Okay, this is the font size is 32 pixel, and font weight is 100. That's why it's very thin and very light. And the next one is the heading one. I use the heading one tag. Heading one tag, and this is the also real. This is the real life family. Okay, real life family. I mean font family. The font size is 50 pixel and font weight is 700. Okay, here is the two sections. I think you can understand this is the two sections, and here is the on section and the image is on section. I was trying to use the image as a background image of the sections, but you can see this not look good. That's why I use another section and image. Okay, and here's the another text. It's the animated text. You can see the Elementor animated text. Okay, this is the animated text. And here is the um, you can call it uh, underline and animated line, you can call this. Okay, this is the elementor line. Here is also the heading text. Maybe it's heading 4 or 5. Okay, heading 3. Okay, it's a heading 3. This is the p tag, just text editor. Okay, and this is the icon box. Okay, this is the icon box. I use this icon and text left right. Okay, and I just design this, then just copy it's 3 times, then I change the text. Okay, and this is the sign up button. It's by default button from the websites. Okay, I don't design this button. This is by default button, and client want to use this default button, and this is only on design for the button. And I mean, see, the main client is he, but my client is the woman, that's a she. She tell me to don't change the button color and everything. Okay, because the main client, maybe he's the client, he want to use only on design button on his total website. That's why I don't change this button anything, just change the text. Okay, yeah, obviously I have to change the text and link. Okay, but the design is similar to others. Okay, and here is the text, similar. Here is the animated text. This is the before and the animated text. Here you use the image. This is the rounded image, and this image provided by client. That's why I am you need not to worry about the image. Okay, here is the simple text. I use here the text editor because here is the text bold. I just select this text and I bold this text, but by default this bold text wave font rate is maybe 100. Okay, here is also the text editor text. I mean the paragraph text. Okay, the text editor is paragraph text, and same thing for this. And this is the icon, not box. This is the icon list. Yeah, this is the icon list. Okay, this is the icon list. You can see the option icon list element on the elementor. Okay, just drag and drop, then you can change the icon list. I just use some margin left on the total box. Okay, and here is the button. You can see the same button. Okay, both are same. And here it is the 3 section I mean here is the 3 column section. Okay, and I use the 3 different images on here. And then next one I use a background image in the background. All emails and text client provide to me. Okay, that's why I just design and then I change the text. Okay, and here is the slogan. Maybe it's client or any other, I don't know about this the code. Okay, here is a simple code. Okay, the heading text, and here is the um, here is also heading text. Maybe I'm not sure. Yeah, this is also a heading text. Okay, this most of the things are copy paste. Okay, this two and these two are similar. Okay, everything button and everything is similar. This section is all the background color. This background color will be, sorry, this background color was maybe blue or similar like this, but after deliver the project, I change this color to dark right. Okay, and others are similar everything. Okay, this is also the animated text, and here is the disclaimer and the 3 page link. This is the client other page links. Okay, I don't design this, just link the pages on here. Okay, so this is the sample project. It was $40 project on Upwork, and I was trying to provide the top class project to client. It was really confusing and hard project for me because previously I have no um, good better experience with the women clients, and I'm always trying to bypass the women clients project. But unfortunately, I got this project and client directly hired me. That's why I have to do this. Okay. And finally I complete the project. Client is happy, and yeah, obviously I'm also happy. So this is the all things how I can complete how I complete the project, the $40 elementor project. So today's maybe everything is okay on my side. Okay, so if you were new on my channel, just to subscribe me and click on bell icon. So if you click on bell icon, you will get the one notification when I publish any video on my YouTube channel. And I'm just trying to share my knowledge on the YouTube. It's not my profession. That's why it's this YouTube channel only I use as my portfolio, because sometimes my clients want to say if I have an YouTube channel or any portfolio or healthy portfolio or not. If I share my links, they don't trust me the links, because you can get lots of links or lots of websites. Example in Google, if you search. Okay, so sometimes the clients do not comfort with the links. That's why I'm trying to um, give them a YouTube channel, and they can see the live projects which I already completed. Okay, that's why I use the YouTube channel. But I'm trying to share my knowledge with my community. Okay, so if you want to know anything WordPress related to WordPress, JavaScript, HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, Tailwind, okay, obviously React.js, Next.js, Node.js, Express.js, you can text me, or Redux. Okay, you can text me also. GitHub, yeah. You can text me. Yeah, I'm trying to answer you from my best, from my level best. Okay, so thanks for the watching, and um, bye bye for now. Okay, thank you.